To create our radial symmetry artwork, we first need a square. So I'm going to take a rectangular piece of paper and I'm going to take a corner and fold it over to match up this edge so that it lines up, and I'm going to make a crease. Now I can use scissors to cut off the extra paper at the bottom. Do your best to get a nice cut, but if it's not perfect, that's okay. When I unfold this, I will have a square. And my square has a nice crease down at a diagonal, which is what you're going to need. So now I need to fold it the other direction. And now we're moving on to making our folds to create this radial symmetry design. I'm going to try to line it up the best I can, crease it, and press those out. So now I have a fold going this way, a fold going this way. I'm going to take my paper and fold it in half. Try to match up the edges and the corners and crease it. And the last fold I need to do is to take the bottom and fold it in half again. All right, now when I open this up, I will have, there we go, 8 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 4 on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 on this side. Now I can create my radial symmetry artwork. Whatever I put in this section, I have to repeat in all the other sections. This is my completed radial symmetry artwork. So I started by folding my paper just like we did right now. Now, when you think about your design, just remember that whatever you do, you will repeat it. I started with these circles, so I put a little circle in all 8 of the sections. Then I decided to add these lines, so I had to do it in all the sections to keep it symmetrical. Then I put the diagonal lines that kind of created a point, and you'll notice in each section as I made them, it created a star type shape. Then I decided to do a rounded curve going from one section to the next, and it creates a flower shape. Again, I did that rounded curve and I added lines. Then I did almost like flower petals. Another diagonal lines to create a star type shape, and then I did a repeating pattern of rectangles and circles. Color also must be symmetrical, so whatever I do in this circle, I do in these circles. Whatever I do here, I do there, so that the color also stays symmetrical too. You do not have to make yours just like mine. This is just an example. You can play around with shapes and color and line and really have fun creating your radial symmetry design.